Alright guys, what's up? Today I'm going to show you guys, we're going to do a little unboxing of a steam cleaner. It's from Central Machinery. If you don't know what that is, that's pretty much Harbor Freight. I'm going to be using this to pretty much clean my work van. And for example, maybe some cabinets that have some grease, anything pretty much that you want cleaned that maybe your regular cleaner, right, your simple green or maybe your crud cutter can't get through. You go ahead and put your cleaner and then clean it with this, and it should come off pretty good. I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys the results on a door panel, but for right now we're just gonna unbox it. So here's what it comes with: 18 accessories. So pretty much it heats all the way up to 112 Fahrenheit. The steam lasts up to 45 minutes on a full tank. I guess you could use this for construction for the toughest jobs or high impact, so durable. It has an 8-inch hose, so pretty much you're going to be able to maneuver all around, and it holds up to 41 ounces of water. Okay, so pretty much this is going to be used for cleaning and sanitizing, so pretty much killing viruses. I'm not really worried about that. And pretty much it doesn't need any chemicals, so no cleaners. I am going to use that, so I'm going to be spraying that stuff onto the panel, let it soak up, and then steaming it with this. And I'm going to go ahead and try the different attachments that it comes with. All right, let's open it up. I got my little Husky blade. If you guys want it, it's from Home Depot. I like it. You go ahead and snap off the blades when you're not using it. All right, let's see what it comes with. Okay, you got your regular manual, how to use it, your instructions and safety precautions that it comes with. Okay, comes your triangle brush, or yeah, brush attachment. That's with the attachment for the cleaning. Got your flathead needle steaming head. I don't know. You got your extenders, your extensions, your little brushes, and the little nook and cranny area. I know this one's a scrubber. It comes with like a fiberish attachment, and this looks like a rag. Got your measuring kit, and this is your flat large brush, and obviously the hose, gun, and the actual unit itself. Let's open it up. All right, so here it is unwrapped. It does come with a bunch of plastic, so expect that. Again, as I mentioned, you got your container, the hose, the extender. You got this flat brush right here, pretty big. I'd say for flooring. You got a little attachment right here. It is lubed up for whatever reason. They're pretty much lubed up, a lot of these tools right here. You got your little flat one, steam. This actually, when I said this was a rag, it's not a rag, it's like a mop. So you go ahead and mop stuff up with that. Little triangle attachment. These little brushes, I do see these are useful. Honestly, these are gonna be pretty good. They're kind of stiff, so you wouldn't use this for delicate stuff, but pretty much for cars interiors, that's for work, it's gonna be a good thing. You got your actual brass brush right here. It is a little bit stiffer than the plastic, so it's good. And this is what I was talking about. It's a little fiber. It doesn't look like it's removable. It looks like it's glued on. I would imagine if you really want to, you can take it off and maybe glue on another one that's thicker or stiffer. In here you have an attachment, like a squeegee attachment. So, and this would just be, I'm guessing, for it being more comfortable, I imagine. And your little funnel. So, in my opinion, I'm probably going to be using these right here more than others. Mainly because of the fact that what I'm going to be doing is going over it. Maybe this one too, but it's a bit bigger, so maybe not. But yeah, and obviously here you got your actual unit. This is where the water, I imagine, goes in. So yeah, but pretty much I'm gonna go ahead and check out the instructions and see what I can get out of it. So you got your on and off button, and obviously your cord. All right, and on, off. Pretty much when you're refilling your tank, turn off, unplug, let it cool for 20 minutes, then press the trigger to release. Okay, so every time you guess you're gonna use it, go ahead and turn it off, and that's when you refill it. And that's pretty much, I would imagine, for the steam buildup so you don't get burnt. That's pretty much it, guys. Next up is filling it up, warming it up, and recording how it does with the panel. I'm gonna go ahead and do that with one side of the panel being just straight, I guess, heated water, steam watered, and one with maybe some simple green or purple power, and then with this, and see how well that works. All right, guys. Catch you guys later in the next one.